Design Gurukul, Knowledge to Excellence. World's topmost Gurukul reviving Vedic architecture and scientific Vastu. Registered trust under the Indian Trust Act, Government of City of Delhi. Are you interested in the world of colors? Did you know different colored lights can be used to heal different ailments? Heal the world through colored lights. So what are you waiting for? Join our special program on Spectro Chromo Metry. Learn color therapy in just one day. Thanks for watching. For more information, contact us at 96502-37918 or you can drop us a mail at designgurukul1@gmail.com. You can also visit our website at www.designgurukul.in.